As of late, there has been a slew of people who have decided to become a digital hermit by eliminating their social media platforms, including Facebook, from their phones. We may think to hesitate, or we can't quit because we are running a business on Facebook, or it is our one way of contacting old associates. Not everyone has WhatsApp, iMessage, Instagram, or Snapchat, but these days, everyone and their grandmothers are on Facebook. Thus, it is an inconvenience to not be up to date with your peers, especially when it involves a decision among your socials. Over the years, Facebook has developed itself into a multi-purpose tool with your digital well-being in mind. Facebook will warn its users if they are uploading distressing posts or ask if they are alright during a crisis that is occurring in their area. These small updates that we get to see put us at ease knowing that the person on the other side is doing well. But in the long and passive term, this need for constant updates tend to cause us to be idle on screen for longer than necessary. Picture this. The average person spends about 2 hours and 22 minutes on social media. Within these 2 hours, they would read posts, watch videos, and comment. But that only entails a fraction of what we would do on Facebook. Most of those 2 hours is just scrolling and more endless scrolling. That's about it. It is intentionally designed to be addictive with the algorithm that pushes content that is catered to you, and that is a big waste of time. In order to be a little bit more productive, we should restrict our access to Facebook. If abandoning the entire platform is proving difficult for you, start with restricting the mobile app. You can begin by customizing how the notifications are being pushed to you on your smartphone. These are the ones that display externally in your notification tray, not the ones in-app. Say if you're not interested in the marketplace, you can just mute them because we don't need the unnecessary distractions while you are in a productive state. Each time you receive its push notification, your mind notices it fast and it's telling you to open it, disrupting your task at hand with several inconsistent pauses in between. So, push those notifications away for another time. You won't really miss out on the fun if you check a tagged post in a few hours. My personal favorite is to abandon the app entirely and opt for the web browser, or alternatively, the mobile wrapper apps. Yeah, the experience is less seamless and it takes longer to load certain pages. But that's the point, because it is not as polished as the official app, and it's good enough for me to stop myself from opening it frequently. And at the same time, you are limiting battery drainage and the amount of data that is being collected by Facebook. Not entirely, but what do you expect when you're using Facebook? At the end of the day, it depends on your self-discipline that will lead you towards your well-being of your digital life. The time spent on scrolling can be used for more productive things, as well as personal and mental improvements. Thank you so much for watching. This has been the first installment in the Consume series. This channel is about tech consumption in our daily life and how it affects our productivity. If you're interested in following what's coming, be sure to subscribe and let us know in the comments. How does Facebook's presence affect your productivity?